Hello student, today I am going to discuss various spectral series. The wavelength of the spectral line depends upon the energy associated with two energy levels between which the transition of the electron takes place. Now you see the diagram. This is an atom and these are the atom of nucleus. Atom of nucleus is plus E charge of the nucleus for a hydrogen atom, and these are the orbit of principal orbit or principal quantum number n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6. So according to Bohr's postulate, when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, then amount of the difference of energy is emitted. How much energy is emitted? The difference of the two energy level. So these are the energy level of principal quantum numbers, different values of principal quantum number. So now here, so there are five spectral series are there. So their name is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and P-Fan series. So when electron jumps from some higher energy level to some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to n equal to 1, means lower energy, if you represent lower energy level is nf here, and higher energy, these are the higher energy level is ni equal to 2, 3, 4. So higher energy levels are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, etc. Then when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to n equal to 1, so that is called Lyman series. Similarly, when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to n equal to nf equal to 2 or n equal to 2, then these are called Balmer series. Again, when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to nf equal to 3 or lower energy level is 3, then it is called Paschen series. For Brackett series, when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to nf equal to 4. So this is Paschen as Brackett series. And P-Fan series is when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to nf equal to 5. Now let us discuss again separately. So Lyman series. So this series, so electron jumps from, you see the diagram, electron jumps from some higher energy level. These are the higher energy. N equal to 2, N equal to 3, N equal to 4, N equal to 5, N equal to 6. These are the higher energy. These are higher energy. So electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level n equal to 1. So this is called Lyman series. So mathematically, if you represent for Lyman series, the what is the wavelength of the spectral line of Lyman series? So Lyman series, for Lyman series, spectral line, the spectral line of the wavelength of spectral line of Lyman series 1 by lambda equal to Rs is, which is Rydberg constant. Rs is Rydberg constant. So 1 upon nf square, nf is 1, so 1 upon 1 square minus 1 I square. So I value is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are, so this series is called Lyman series, and this Lyman series, this Lyman series lie in ultraviolet region. We cannot see, so it lies in ultraviolet region. Similarly for Balmer series, so this transition of electron takes place from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to nf equal to 2. So if you use this equation, or if you write the wavelength of spectral lines in like Balmer series, the 1 by lambda equal to r is 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square. Here n equal to 2. You have to keep in mind n equal to 2, ni will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So 1 by lambda equal rh is which is Rydberg constant 1 by 2 square. So it will 1 by 2 square here will be, and here ni values, so different values are there. So simply we are writing 1 upon ni square. So this series, these spectral lines or this series lies in visible region. Visible region means we can see it. So it is visible region. Balmer series lies in visible region. And number 3 is Paschen series. Paschen series NF equal to 3, Ni will be 4, 5, 6, 7. So wavelength of spectral line in Paschen series will be 1 by lambda r is 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon Ni square. So this is the wavelength of spectral line in Paschen series. So Paschen series, spectral lines of this series lie in infrared region. Infrared region. So this lies in infrared region. Number 4, bracket series. For bracket series, NF equal to 4 and Ni equal to 5, 6, 7. So wavelength of spectral line 1 by lambda Rh 1 by 4 square minus 1 by Ni square. So this spectral line lies in infrared region, same. So Paschen series, bracket series lies in infrared region. And P-Fan series, for P-Fan series, so lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 5. So principal quantum number is 5 for P-Fan series, and higher energy level corresponding to principal quantum number is 6, 7, 8 like that. So the wavelength of spectral line, in P-Fan series is 1 by lambda r is 1 upon 5 square. So 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon Ni square. So this is wavelength of spectral lines in P-Fan series. So once again I am telling you briefly. So for Lyman series, the transition of electron takes place some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 1. Balmer series, when electron jumps from or transition of electron takes place from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 2. So Balmer series lies in visible region. And Paschen series, when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 3. So this is Paschen series. For Paschen series, NF equal to 3. And bracket series, when electrons or transition of electron takes place from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 4. You see, NF equal to 4. When electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 4, that is called bracket series. And P-Fan series, when electron jumps from some higher energy level to lower energy level corresponding to NF equal to 5. So this is NF will be 5 and Ni will be 6, 7, 8 like that. So there are mainly 5 spectral series: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, P-Fan series. So Lyman series lie in ultraviolet region, Balmer series lie in visible region, and Paschen series lie in infrared region, and bracket series also lie in infrared region, and P-Fan series lie in far infrared region. P-Fan series lies in far infrared region. So wavelength of line 1 by lambda equal to r is, this is the equation. This equation used to find the wavelength of Lyman series. Again for Balmer series, the wavelength 1 by lambda equal to r is 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square. So this equation used to find the wavelength of Balmer series. And for Paschen series, this equation used to find the wavelength of Paschen series. And bracket series, the 1 by lambda equal r is 1 by 4 square minus 1 by square. This equation used to find the wavelength of spectral line in bracket series, and Phi-Fan series is this one. Here, one more thing I want to say: the first line of Lyman series, first line of Balmer series, first line of Paschen series, first line of bracket series, first line of Phi-Fan series are having the longer wavelength. Longer first transition of electron, first one is having higher or longer wavelength. And last line having shorter wavelength of a spectral line, that is Ni equal to, if we take Ni equal to infinity, Ni equal to, if we take infinity, then the wavelength of that transition of that line, of that spectral line, having shorter wavelength. Thank you.